Got this gentleman who came in today.
Do you have a business name?
Pocaro Surface Cleaning.
Pocaro Surface Cleaning? He just stopped in and said, hey, do you guys need any laser cleaning done? And he's giving us a little demo. And he just hit that block right there.
Yeah, you guys gotta see this because I'm gonna shoot Malcolm with this thing.
Yo!
See the frequency. That's crazy. It looks like a sound wave.
Yeah,
that's crazy.
Yeah, we do vapor honing, but that's about it.
Ain't cleaning like that.
No, well,
That
it will, but it's not that easy.
Yeah.
It'll clean up better than that, but not that fast. Not that easy.
The thing is, like,
Yeah, I lost. I have settings for blocks specifically, and I updated the software, and they're all gone. So I just gotta get it back real quick.
that was fast. I'm still interested to see what it does to a human. Jesus.
Yes.
Will you shoot your hand with it?
Why me? I got kids, bro. I need my strong hand.
Eddie? You got any like weird things on your body you need removed?
Imagine a wart.
Yeah.
That's in my dermatologist
I see it when I close my eyes at night.
Oh no. Maybe your finger was like that.
It's just a pattern. That's weird that won't pop up.
Sitting for a minute outside.
Yeah, but that should never paint. Yeah. I don't know why they painted this thing.
It's crazy, man.
Yeah, I'm sure we'll be in touch. Because this is that gets done real quick. So you could do this whole engine, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah, and like it gets in these valleys.
Yeah.
So all that stuff that's a pain in the balls when you try and sand it
Okay.
makes life a lot easier.
Well, we might be in touch because I'm going to try to clean this up, and if I can't do anything, then I'm probably just going to. I mean, I know I'm not going to be able to do that, so we're probably going to call you either way.
Yeah.
So.
Let me know.
All right, sounds good. You got cards?
Yeah, dude.
All right,
I
awesome.
got one on me. I got more if you want them. But
Pocaro surface cleaning. Pocaro surface cleaning. Yeah.
Sick.
Awesome. And what do you really clean other than engine stuff?
chassis, suspension parts. I've done entire like that chassis, that whole tub.
Yeah.
I've done a Bronco like that on a rotisserie. Yeah.
Damn, you just spent all that time.
He could have helped you out.
Yeah.
It takes about.
It takes the paint off. It strips the paint.
Yeah, it takes about a week to do the full thing, but.
Yeah. Yeah. 5 years? No.
Oh, that's your own car. That doesn't count.
Yeah.
Your own car doesn't count for shit.
Yeah. See, he gets it.
I also have a car, so.
Yeah. What do you drive?
I drag race Volkswagens.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. I don't even know how to. I did not even know about this till today. I didn't know this existed. This is like.
If you watch enough TikTok, eventually you start your own business.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah, definitely. Well, thank you for showing us this.
For sure.
And yeah, you're probably gonna have a customer at least for this engine because I'm not gonna be able to do this. Why does it turn brown? Is that just like the paint?
That's just the layer underneath.
Okay.
It's burning a little bit. So once as I started to get the settings dialed in, because I was redoing them from working on brick,
Yeah.
I'll be able to get down to that just on the first pass.
That's crazy. Yeah, it'll look a lot better than this. I don't know who this engine up, but
That happens a lot.
yeah. Yeah, most of the engines are just dirty, but
Yeah.
we haven't started doing blocks in the vapor hone yet because we just, cleaning them is gonna be a nightmare.
Yes.
So this is nice because you don't really have to clean anything. It just burns everything off.
Yeah, and like I told them, I work outside when I'm doing a full job.
Okay.
If you don't have power near the door, I bring a generator, a compressor. I'm fully, self-sustained.
Yeah.
So you don't have to worry about your shop getting all smoked out.
So you doing this full time now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Where are you located?
Springfield?
Okay.
It's not bad.
awesome.
Try a lot further than before.
Damn.
Some good shit.
All right, well, you learn something new every day. So now we know we can do laser cutting here. What is it? Laser surface cleaning and stripping. Kind of interested to see that done on more stuff, but I don't know. We got to find some stuff. Anything we don't want to throw in the vapor hone.
Something in the garbage?
Like OER thing.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Super rusted and shit.
Yeah.
Get all that rust
The
on.
metal garbage. Yeah,
Well, he's packing it up anyway. I'm just trying to think of something that we can. Eddie's like, all right, let's go on. We gotta make a whole video.
If you want to grab something else before.
Yeah.
If you got something rusty. before I
Malcolm,
pack
what do you
up.
think?
We grab some?
What are we looking for?
Something rusty.
This? This?
Oh, that's your door. It's
Like an action shot.
That's a little T25, I think.
What, the out the exhaust out?
Yeah.
No way.
It's like orange.
No way.
Oh, buddy. You just brought me my bread and butter.
No way.
Oh, I love that more than anything else. That hot side?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude.
What?
He's in disbelief.
How is that gonna do anything to that? That'd be like, so it's kind of like powder coating. I mean, not powder coating, sandblasting.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, just
no sand, which is way better.
Yeah, because you don't have to. Like, I had a buddy that he rebuilt his GTI over the winter, sandblasted it, cleaned it, painted it, rebuilt the whole car, took it out to the track. First time he launched it, 40 pounds of sand came out the ass end of the car.
Oh
And just all over the fresh track prep.
Oh my
Ow.
I know they were mad.
Yeah. They were all big mad. It was like a 4-hour cleanup.
Oh, you got it, Liz, by the way. Oh my god, dude.
So you probably know my buddy.
Who's that?
Howdy Mike.
Which Audi Mike?
White Jetta Coupe, VR6 Turbo, and he's got a red cabbie.
Yeah, he's redoing the Jetta is now going to be white. Or no, it's white, but it's rear wheel drive now?
No, it's still front wheel drive.
Okay.
I think you're talking about his friend John.
Better get this paper gasket up.
Mike Trizzolino, I believe, is the guy I'm talking about.
Okay.
You got a paper gasket here, but
Oh, we won't even have that.
don't aim for it.
It makes it shiny. Come back.
That's probably how Caitlin felt when it started fire.
Looking at this, you need to get some glasses.
I'm already blind.
Eddie's face is crazy.
I bring my car.
How much does this cost?
15.
15,000? Okay. That's actually not bad at all. to be
No,
honest
it's
with you.
not. I don't, that's the one thing that I run into when I walk into shops. I'm like, how much is that?
Yeah.
I could use that.
Yeah.
Yeah, you could.
You could, or you just call me.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. And now I'm thinking about my car, and I'm like, yeah, that would have been a lot easier. Holy shit. Not only easier, but pretty.
I mean, it's clean. That's ready to paint.
Yeah.
And it's, just a little bit warm to the touch.
Yeah, I was
It's
gonna
not
say
gonna work
it's,
anything.
it's never like hot
No.
after you do that.
If I sit on it, it'll get hot.
Yeah.
Like if I'm working this block for a while, a section will get hot, and then I'll just move over, and then get that a little bit warm, and then come back.
Okay.
I can do aluminum body panels without warping them.
Wow.
So
That turbo is pretty impressive.
Carbon fiber, it lights on fire immediately. So we
Okay.
don't do that.
Good to know.
But aluminum and steel, totally fine.
Yeah. Magnesium,
This is nuts.
probably not gonna run across much magnesium, but it
Yeah.
works on that too.
All right, well, we'll definitely be in touch. Probably gonna, yeah, I'm just gonna call you anytime I don't
Anytime you
know
don't
what
wanna
to do.
it.
Yeah, I'm like, yeah, we're so.
Awesome.
Yeah. And I guess if you want to give me an estimate on this thing.
That'll probably wind up being like 250.
Okay. Yeah, because I'm probably gonna have to do this either way. So you don't even like pre-clean anything? You just like.
No, like if it's got heavy dirt on it,
Yeah.
just knock it off with a hose.
Okay.
But grease,
Yeah.
rust, any of that doesn't matter.
It's crazy.
And I do have a mask for when I'm actually working.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, I was worried. I was like.
No, I'm not just freeze.
Yeah, I was
No.
like. Not only are you gonna get some cancer later, you're gonna have some crazy. You're gonna be seeing through walls and.
I wish.
Yeah.
That's a totally different business.
Well, thank you for the demo.
Of course, man. Appreciate you guys having
Awesome.
me.
Yeah. That's crazy.
Yeah, that is.
Damn, Malcolm didn't even get to see that one.
Hey, we'll bring it to him.
Yeah, get his reaction.
What would you get blasted by that?
My car on the bottom is really, it's got some rust. So I would think about that. And then turbo.
Damn. This is brand new.
Yeah, that's good.
I was like, we gotta see Malcolm's reaction.
You doubted it.
I did.
Bro, look at the comparison right there. Just like from here to here, that's crazy.
And blast it. Let me see if there's anybody with a laser in the area.
Yeah.
There was no one with a laser in the area.
Wow.
So I became the laser guy.
I literally never seen this done. That's impressive.
I'll take a car. I got a couple of friends.
Yeah, this guy's got a couple cars and he's working.
A couple cars to the
I got a card for the car. I'll grab them for you.
Alright, no problem. Alright, cool. You learn something new every day. Laser surface cleaning.
I'll put it back anyway.
I don't even know. Like, now there's so many options.
Wow.
You've got no excuse now to not clean their engines up. Like, there's so many different things you can do. And this one doesn't get glass bead everywhere, so.
Or in the cylinder walls.
Yeah.
Cooling.
Maybe we'll call them. Maybe we'll call them back and just have them do this engine and see what it comes out like.
Like
Yeah.
I said, the pricing's not bad either. So.
Yeah, I mean this section is pretty good, but
They could use a little bit.
it just looks a little like. I can't tell if it looks a little rough. Yeah, I have to have him hit this side and see how it comes off. It's crazy.
Sick.
Sweet. There you go.